So now that we are done with front end, let's move to the back end. So first we need to add the admin, and then we need to log in the admin. So the first thing we need to do is to create the admin model with the migration, and we need also the factory and seeder. Okay, so the controller, we will create it later. So once done, let's move to the database folder. So here we have factories, the migrations, and let's move to the admin migration. So here we will use the same thing as we have done with users. So let's copy these fields and use them inside admin. So here inside admin table, let's paste here. So we have named email verified at, and password. So let's save. So now we have the admin. So let's migrate the table. So PHP artisan migrate, hit enter, and it's done. So once done, so now we need to see the admin. So we have here the admin factory. So we'll use the same thing like we have here inside the user. So let's copy from here and use it inside the user. So let's move down and paste here. So we have the name. So the name, let's give it admin. So we have also the email. So let's use admin at email.com. And verified at, let's keep it as it is. And for the password, so we need to import the hash. So let's import it, and we have here the password. And also for the remember token, let's import the str class and use this. And you can import them manually if you don't import them automatically. Okay, so now let's save. Let's move to the seeder. So let's move to the seeder. So here we have the admin seeder. So here we can use the admin model and use the factory method, factory, and we create only one admin. Okay, so save, and we need also to import the admin here. Okay, so save. Let's move to the file which is not here but here inside the same folder, which is seeders. So here we have already done these steps. So let's comment this step and also this one, and here we need only to call the admin seeder. So let's change it to admin seeder and save. Now let's save the admin. So let's run PHP artisan db seed. So hit enter. So now it's done. We have seeded the admin. So let's move to the model. So the model needs to be like the user's model. So let's copy everything from here and use it here inside admin. So here we paste, and let's change the name from admin or from user to admin. So now we are done. Okay, so next we need to update. So to make the admin login like the user, so we need to update the file which is the auth.php. So it's inside the folder config, and here you will find auth.php. So here we have the guards. So we have the first one which is the web, so we need to change and add another one which is admin, and here the table will be admins. Okay, so here we have the driver is session and provider users, or the table is users, and here we use same driver but different table, which is admins. Okay, so next we move down. So here inside the providers we have the users, so we need to add the provider, which is admins. Okay, and we use the same thing, which is the eloquent, and here we remove this, and we use instead the admin model. So instead of using user like we have here, so we use the admin that we have created. Okay, so next we have here the passwords, so you can add another one for admins, and we change the provider to admins, and we can use same thing, same table as we have here, we can use it for admins and users, and that's all. Okay, so now we can log in the admin also, as we have done with the user. Okay, so next we need to create our controller. So let's create the controller. So here PHP artisan make controller, and let's add the folder admin, and inside add an admin controller. Okay, so let's hit enter. So now we have the controller, so we can go to the admin folder. So here we have the admin controller. Okay, so here is our controller. So here we need to add the functions that we need. Okay, so let's do that now.